welcome back to another video. I'm going to be animating again, except I'm going to try something a little bit different. As you can see, first I have a green screen and I'm going to be animating a hummingbird flying. Surprisingly, hummingbirds are a lot harder to animate than I expected. With the movement done, I'm going to work on the actual bird now. Oh my goodness, it took forever to figure out how to make it look like it was actually flying. Alright, now I'm going to start replacing the bird I want to use with the little animation I made in the beginning, and hopefully it looks clean, neat, and a little more put together. Now on to the wings. So I looked at a video of a hummingbird flying and I noticed that the wings you don't see flapping, you see a blur motion. So what I did is I just did a bunch of scribbles and kind of colored it in to make it look like it was flying. Although sadly, after doing all of this work, I realized that with the green screen behind it, my camera does not pick up the wings, and so you're just gonna have to pretend wings are there with the finished product. Alright, so the next thing is going to be this background, and there's going to be a little hummingbird looking at the flowers. As you can see, I've done a little bean animation to figure out how I want it to move and where I want it to go. I did the same things with the wings because I thought it was a really good representation of hummingbird wings. Alright, are you ready for the finished product? Hopefully it gives a really cool illusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week and stay creative. Bye!